How to clean a Vornado humidifier, an easy method. Today's topic is some easy method to clean a Vornado humidifier. Method 1. First, disconnect the power cord from both the wall outlet and the device before proceeding with these steps. Wipe down the outside of the unit with a damp cloth or towel. This removes dust particles that may hamper airflow through filter media during use. Place a gallon of distilled water into the reservoir on top of the Vornado humidifier. Plug in and turn on the power switch located at the bottom left side of the humidifier's control panel. Wait until all three lights on top have turned green before removing them from the base and unplugging the unit from the outlet. Empty out water from the tank by using both hands. Method 2. Turn off power at the wall outlet, or unplug it from the socket. Remove all pieces from inside the unit. Soak them in a cleaning solution that will kill viruses and bacteria such as bleach or vinegar for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Put everything back together. Thanks for watching this video.